Hi, I'm Max Brown, President of Garrett Leather. At Garrett Leather, our brand promises have always been to deliver superior quality products, exceptional service, and on-time delivery. We take these promises seriously and stand behind our products. Now, we're making it official with the Garrett Guarantee. With our Garrett Guarantee, if you are not 100% satisfied with your purchase, you may return it for a refund or replacement at no additional cost. We will cover the shipping charges to have the product returned to our corporate headquarters here in Buffalo, New York. You will be issued a full refund, or we will replace your order with the same product at no additional cost to you. This guarantee covers all of the in-stock products we sell, including leather hides, sheepskin, wovens, welt, and even perforated and impressed leather. We are going above and beyond with the Garrett Guarantee because we care about you and your clients. We understand that buying premium leather is a big investment, and we want to give you peace of mind and confidence when you choose to work with our company. You deserve the highest quality products and the best service with easy, straightforward, and hassle-free purchases and returns. We value your business and your trust, and we don't take either for granted. Thank you for choosing Garrett Leather.